Switzerland is more than just a country, it's a feeling. It's the crisp mountain air, the echo of cowbells, and the sight of peaks that scrape the sky. Every train ride reveals a new postcard-perfect view, and every village has a story. Today, we journey into the heart of the Swiss Alps to meet two legendary giants, the Matterhorn and the Jungfrau. These mountains are more than landmarks. They're symbols of Switzerland's spirit and beauty. Let's explore Europe's back door, starting with its most breathtaking peaks. The journey begins now. Welcome to Wonder. The Matterhorn isn't Switzerland's tallest mountain, but it's certainly the most iconic. Its jagged pyramid shape rises dramatically on the border with Italy, captivating all who see it. At 4,178 meters, it's a masterpiece of nature, steep, bold, and unforgettable. The mountain's faces catch the light in spectacular ways, glowing pink at sunrise in a magical alpenglow. Sometimes shrouded in clouds, sometimes crystal clear, the Matterhorn dominates the landscape. For climbers, it's a legendary challenge. For everyone else, it's a wonder to behold from countless hiking trails. Each path offers a new angle, a fresh perspective on this natural sculpture. The Matterhorn is a symbol of Switzerland. Its image found on chocolates and souvenirs, but its true meaning runs deeper. For locals, it's a constant, powerful presence, a source of inspiration and respect. It reminds us of the forces that shape this land and its people. Whether you climb or simply gaze, the Matterhorn invites awe. It's a mountain that stays with you, a true giant of the Alps. At the base of the Matterhorn lies Zermatt, a village where cars are banned and peace reigns. Electric taxis and horse-drawn carriages glide through streets lined with historic wooden chalets and modern comforts. The air is fresh, the pace is slow, and the soundscape is pure alpine tranquility. Wander the old village, where centuries-old barns stand on stone stilts, and discover a blend of rustic charm and luxury. Zermatt is a launchpad for adventure. Cable cars and the Gornergrat Railway whisk you to breathtaking viewpoints. At the summit, more than 24 peaks over 4,000 meters fill the horizon. Evenings glow with twinkling lights, hearty Swiss dishes, and stories shared over fondue. Zermatt isn't just a base for the Matterhorn, it's a destination that captures the heart of the Alps. Here, tradition and adventure meet. Every visit feels timeless. This is mountain life at its best. Next, we travel to the Jungfrau, famed for its icy wilderness and the legendary train to the top of Europe. The Jungfrau, Eiger, and Mönch form a mighty wall, crowned by glaciers. The railway climbs from green valleys to Europe's highest station. At the summit, the Sphinx Observatory offers 360-degree views of the Alps. Explore shimmering ice tunnels inside the Ice Palace. The air is thin, the views are endless, and the experience is unforgettable. Welcome to the top of Europe. Descending from the peaks, we enter the Swiss countryside, a world of rolling green hills and tranquil lakes. Cowbells echo across meadows bursting with wildflowers, and time seems to slow. Life here is tied to the land and the seasons. Farms pass through generations, and traditions endure. The pace is gentle, neighbors chat, farmers lead cows to summer pastures, and every view is a postcard. Lakes like Geneva, Lucerne and Thun shimmer beneath mountain backdrops, inviting boat rides or quiet contemplation. Villages line the shores, their cafes and promenades perfect for soaking in the scenery. Well-marked trails wind through forests, along streams, and to hidden waterfalls. Every path leads to a new discovery, a moment of peace, a breathtaking vista. This is the Switzerland that lingers in your soul. Not just dramatic mountains, but the quiet beauty of valleys and hills. Here, serenity reigns. The countryside is Switzerland's gentle heart, and it's yours to explore. In Switzerland's valleys, culture and nature blend seamlessly. Villages like Lauterbrunnen, with its 72 waterfalls, feel like fairy tales come to life. Wooden chalets overflow with flowers, built to withstand winter's weight and celebrate alpine tradition. Festivals mark the seasons, yodeling, flag throwing, and markets fill the calendar. Food is a celebration of place fondue, air-dried meats, and cheeses made on high pastures. Summer brings hiking and cheese-making. Winter transforms the land into a snowy playground. Life here follows the rhythm of the mountains, purposeful, connected, and authentic. Visiting these valleys means slowing down, savoring simple pleasures, and meeting people rooted in tradition. Hike from village to village, picnic by a stream, or watch clouds drift from a chalet balcony. In these quiet moments, you discover the true soul of Switzerland. Here, beauty and tradition endure. Our journey from the Matterhorn to the Jungfrau leaves us in awe of Switzerland's grandeur. The Alps aren't just scenery, they're the heart of the Swiss story, shaping land and culture alike. Their presence is humbling, inspiring, and unforgettable. But Switzerland's magic is in the details too. The sound of cowbells, the taste of chocolate, the efficiency of a scenic train. Here, wild mountains and peaceful valleys coexist, offering adventure and tranquility in equal measure. Whether you crave adrenaline or quiet reflection, Switzerland delivers. It's a place to create your own perfect journey. As we end our exploration, we realize Switzerland is more than a destination. It's an experience for the senses and the soul. The beauty of its peaks is timeless. The peace of its valleys, restorative. A trip here is an investment in memories that last a lifetime. Switzerland is as beautiful as you imagine, and that's a rare gift. Thank you for joining this journey. Until next time, keep the wonder alive.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.